Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to lock your Brave browser app. So now let's get started. Open it. So for those of you that you are using your iPhone, what you need to do is go to the streamline and you're going to go to the streamline. Once you go to the streamline, click on settings. Once you click on settings, scroll down and you're going to see your browser lock. But it is not here. For Android user, what you need to do is click on accessibility. Oh, sorry for that. What you need to do is scroll here and click on Brave Password Manager. Once you click on this, you can see Save Password Auto Sign In. So the option is not here for those that are using Android. You cannot the option of locking the app is not here for Android user, but for iPhone user, once you reach here, the settings is going to be here. You're going to be able to see lock app. Just click on lock and you're going to automatically lock your Brave browser. But for Android user, is this a limit to it, so it has not been updated, so we don't have the option here in our iPhone. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.